today is a very special day. Today is somebody's birthday. She is 21 again.
Times 2 plus a few.
Nah, so we won't tell you her real age, but today we're in
Newland, North Carolina at Mountain River Family Campground, and it is absolutely beautiful. We are Loved by Camping, inside girl, outside guy, inspiring others to get outside and explore God's landscape. Shrimp fried rice on the black
shrimp fried rice. Any of that for me?
Of course, dear.
Oh. I'm not even gonna give you a hard time because it's your birthday.
Okay, good.
All right, guys. So Katina's birthday is today, and she wants me to sing "Happy Birthday." I can't sing, so here's the best rendition. Happy birthday to you. That is the short version.
That was a rendition of what?
That is exactly. A happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, so I get to make a wish.
Make your wish. Make it good.
Yay!
Great job. You want to check out that game room? Oh, they have a playground for the kids, play area for the kids. Oh, you think you can beat me in Miss Pac-Man? You want to get some? I mean, you know.
It's been a minute.
I might let you win since it's your birthday. I might let you
win. It's been a minute,
but don't be tripping now. I mean, you know, you can get it even though it's your birthday.
Well, we all know how the Connect 4 game went down last week.
Oh yeah, whatever.
So I wouldn't do too much talking if I was you.
That's different.
Okay.
Look, you want to stand up on a rock up there?
No, now you're pushing it.
Will she do it?
Hi there.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off.
You wanna do it?
Yeah, I was letting her go.
So we're at Grandfather Mountain Swinger Bridge. Will she walk across it?
I'm going.
We're gonna find out.
That's right, I'm going.
Don't look down. Okay, wait till you get to the middle.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Cold as crazy, but things are finally right.
I got you on camera, babe, so you can say you did it.
With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what
You're almost
we're
there.
looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
I feel you.
I had to tape her so she could say she did it. All right, you did it. We had to prove it.
Did you give her something to drink after you?
That's later.
That must be Sugar Mountain up there.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the
So Katina faced her fear of heights.
can weather any storm.
Appreciate it. Katina faced her fear of heights with Grandfather Mountain. She did the swinging bridge and she took a picture on the rock. Still scared? I think you did good.
Thank you. He finally gives me my props. Every video, he runs me down. Every video.
I give you your props.
Thank you.
You even went over the bridge. The funny story is Katina has a fear of heights and I don't like the mountains, so we're both have to deal with heights. I don't like driving through the mountains, but she has me up in the mountains at Grandfather Mountain, and we're gonna look at some of the animals they have up here. You want one?
Again, scared of it. No. But I do like looking at them. They're beautiful.
They said the big one's the male. He's about 400 pounds.
Hey, babe.
Yes.
So down there
Uh-huh.
is where that bear is.
Okay.
Mildred the bear and the other big bear, the male bear.
Mm-hmm.
How about we go down there and check him out?
How about you go? So that when you get mauled to death, I can tell them where you went and what you did. How about that?
I think we should just go down there, just go down there real quick
Do you see what the sign says?
and look at
Sign says authorized personnel.
the
Neither
bear,
one of us are
take a
authorized.
good photo.
No,
Okay, you are authorized.
we're not authorized. I'm authorized to walk back to the car.
On second thought, I think I changed my mind. I'm not going
I
down
don't
there
know
and
what
mess
you-
with that bear.
That's on you.
Anyway,
He was crazy.
I cannot believe you got me in these mountains.
It's so beautiful. Aren't you glad?
You better be glad it's your birthday, because otherwise, I don't think I'll be up here. Watch your step.
Software. Yeah, I saw a huge saw that a week ago, and they recommended that everybody. This is Kim. She and her husband Mike own Mountain River Family Campground that we have fallen in love with and think is absolutely beautiful. So, how long have you guys owned this campground?
We purchased this property in the end of August in 2017, and 2018 obviously was our first full season.
Okay.
We have 62 full hookup sites, and we have a bathhouse. We also have a little laundry room. We have a lake in the middle of our campground that has fish. for catch and release. It's a lot of fun. And we are located on the North Toe River in Avery County. And North Toe River is full of trout.
Okay.
We are a perfect location for trout fishing.
All
So
right.
we open in April, the first weekend in April each year with trout season.
Okay.
And then we close at the end of October each year.
Okay. So do some people live here all the time, or everybody leaves?
No, everybody leaves at the end of October.
At the end of October. All right.
Yeah.
Well, we have loved it. We think it's amazing. So if you're looking for the best camping ever in the mountains, Jeffrey is now convinced he was not a mountain person. We highly recommend it.
Oh, thank you so much.
So my wife has us riding ATVs here in Tennessee. I'm not sure what part of Tennessee. What?
Roan Mountain.
Okay, there you go. We're gonna do some ATV riding in the mountains, which is out of Katina's. It's out of Katina's wheelhouse because she doesn't like hikes, and I don't either, to be honest with you, especially in the mountains. But she's doing good.
Tell me your name again.
It's Hayden.
Hayden. Hayden has been phenomenal. And so where are we right now? What city are we in?
Right now we are in Roan Mountain, Tennessee.
Okay. And you do this every day?
Every day.
Best
Every day.
job ever, you would say?
Best job I've ever had. Rain,
bet.
sleet, snow, we're here.
Oh, really? Even in the snow?
Snow. Last Christmas we had 2.5 feet of snow.
And people came?
People came.
What's your website?
Wow.
Website, it's a off the grid mountain adventure.
Off the grid mountain
It's either
adventure.
off the grid mountain adventure, that's who we go through. I'll give you guys a brochure at the end. You guys
Okay.
can check it out. But right there's our number and
I
everything.
see it.
High Country UTV.
So Mountain River Family Campground, Newland, North Carolina. It's a nice place to come.
It's absolutely beautiful. This is, if you're thinking about camping and nature, it is absolutely beautiful.
This park, or this campground, is big rig friendly. Got some pull through sites. Majority of them are back end sites. I think this campground has about 62 sites on the property.
Number 62, that's kind of nice. Where you pull
Yeah,
right.
we won't fit in that spot.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. So here is where the bathrooms are. We're not gonna go inside the bathrooms, but they do have bathrooms
And a laundry.
and a laundry facility on site. Another side to the campground.
You don't get quiet, supposed to be talking.
I got new camping friends. This is a camping family, right?
Heck yeah.
So we have parents and son and daughter-in-law. And you guys are from North Carolina, and we fell in love with their American flag lights. So we're gonna order us some. But so tell us, how long have you guys been camping?
All our life, practically. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay, so you grew up camping. here.
Yes, he grew up, and I grew up camping.
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay. You
I
did.
didn't either.
Okay, I
They're
didn't either.
newbies. We're pros. They're newbies.
Oh, you're the pro.
We're the pros.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Since I'm the oldest in the group, I guess I'd be the pro
the
camper.
pro. Okay, okay. So you camped your whole life.
Uh-huh.
Then did you tent camp or?
Tent camps, pop-up camper camping.
We actually had a pop-up before this camping.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But we did start tent camping in the old green tent and burned up at the beach and froze in the mountains.
Oh, okay. Burned up at the beach and froze in the mountains. I love it.
Well guys, thanks for joining us this weekend as we explore the North Carolina mountains for Katina's birthday.
Yes, I had a blast. Hope you guys had a blast with us. We were at the Mountain River Family Campground. It is absolutely breathtaking in Newland, North Carolina. So if you have never camped in the mountains before, you definitely owe it to yourself to come here. It is beautiful. The owners are amazing. The sights are great and the people are awesome.
So stick around for our next video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel, like and hit that button, the bell, so you'll know when our next video drops. And until then, we will see you later.